What's up everyone, it's Bucky and welcome to your very first Python tutorial. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Python, and this is the program that you use to write all your Python code that I'm going to be teaching you from now on. So go ahead, and the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up an internet browser. I'm going to open up Firefox, but it doesn't matter what one you open. Then you need to go to www.python.org, not .com, .org. Go ahead and go to that, and you're going to see a link on the left hand side called download. Click that download link. Now depending on when you watch this tutorial, you're going to want to download the most recent Python version, and make sure that you're going to download the Windows installer and not any of these other ones. Go ahead and download Python 2.6. They might have a later version if you're watching this tutorial later, but right now it's Python 2.6.2 Windows installer. So go ahead and click that, and it's going to give you a MSI installer package, and this is just like a wizard. So go ahead and save that file. I already have this program downloaded, so I'm not going to go ahead and save it. But once you save that file, go ahead and double click on it, and it's going to take you through the whole process. So if you ever use the computer, you're going to be able to figure this out. Just keep clicking next and next until you got Python. So after you go and you clicked all those next things, you're going to have Python on your computer, and to get to it, go ahead, it's going to be in your start menu. Go ahead and click all programs, and you're going to have something called Python. Now you're going to have a couple things in here: idle, model, command line, Python manuals, uninstall. The first thing you want to click on, the first thing that we're going to be using is called idle, and this is the Python interface. So go ahead and click this twice, and remember that's idle, the Python GUI, and that stands for graphical user interface. And now this thing is going to pop up, and this is the first thing I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Python. So just to make sure that this is working right, and I know you guys would be ready to start programming right now, to test it, go ahead and type print, and then go ahead and in double quotes type whatever you want to print on a screen. I'm gonna go with the basics, not do anything new, and go ahead and type hello world. Now after you typed print and in double quotations hello world, no semicolon, go ahead and press enter. And if on the next line it excerpts or outputs hello world, then you know you downloaded it correctly. So that is your very first tutorial in how to download Python. So hopefully you watch my next tutorials, and I'm going to be making a ton of tutorials showing you guys how to program in Python. It's one of my favorite languages. So follow these instructions, get this program, and hopefully I'll see you next tutorial. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.